Redmi 5 is a successor to the popular Redmi 4 with improvements in screen size, processing, and camera performance. It has a large 5.7-inch full-screen display and a Snapdragon 450 processor. The phone comes in two colors, black and gold. It has a premium metal body with rounded black edges to provide a comfortable fit in your hands. This dual SIM phone comes with 2GB RAM plus 16GB internal memory, 3GB RAM plus 32GB internal memory, and 4GB of RAM plus 64GB of internal memory. Storage is expandable up to 128GB using a micro SD card in the hybrid SIM slot. Redmi 5 has a 5.7-inch HD curved glass screen with an 18:9 full-screen display. This makes it easy to use the phone with one hand and use two apps at once on the screen. The phone is 7.7mm thick, making it the thinnest Redmi phone till date. The phone is powered by the 8-core Snapdragon 450 processor that delivers better power efficiency while improving the overall performance. It has a 12-megapixel back camera with an LED flash and a large pixel sensor for improved photos even in low light. The 5-megapixel front camera comes with an LED selfie light. The phone comes with a 3300 mAh battery. It runs the MIUI 9 OS on top of Android Oreo 8.0. The phone is made available through various EMI options, cash on delivery, and payment through your debit or credit card.